Welcome to our PSU Showdown. Today, we're diving deep into the features and specifications of two popular power supply units: the budget-friendly Thermaltake Smart BX1 750W Bronze and the premium Corsair RM850x850W Gold. We'll explore their efficiency ratings, modularity, and overall performance to see which one stands out in the world of PC building. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Thermaltake Smart BX1 750W Bronze is a budget-friendly option at just $69.99, making it an attractive choice for gamers looking to save money. In contrast, the Corsair RM850X is priced at $149.99, reflecting its premium features and build quality. While the Thermaltake offers great value, the Corsair justifies its higher price with superior efficiency and modularity. In terms of efficiency, the Thermaltake Smart BX1 boasts an 80+ bronze rating, which means it can achieve up to 88% efficiency under optimal conditions. On the other hand, the Corsair RM850X shines with an 80+ gold certification, ensuring even higher efficiency and lower heat output. This difference not only impacts energy consumption, but also the overall performance and longevity of your components. Cable management is another critical factor in building a clean and efficient PC. The Thermaltake Smart BX1 features a non-modular design, meaning all cables are permanently attached, which can lead to clutter in your case. In contrast, the Corsair RM850X is fully modular, allowing you to connect only the cables you need, resulting in better airflow and a neater build overall. This modularity is especially beneficial for high-performance systems. In conclusion, both the Thermaltake Smart BX1 750W Bronze and the Corsair RM850x850W Gold have their strengths and weaknesses. The Thermaltake is an excellent choice for budget-conscious builders, while the Corsair offers superior efficiency, modularity, and a longer warranty, making it ideal for high-end systems. Whichever you choose, ensure it meets your specific needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.